Hi, I'm Dr. David Warwick at Warwick Chiropractic, and we're going to be as natural as possible. And you know what? I actually don't like doing the videos that much. And she was worried that she didn't look good enough for the video that we're doing. But share with them just brief, 10 seconds,
okay,
not 10 minutes. What we did yesterday. You had what going on?
I felt a little bit of my balance. My ear was hurting, and you did something magical with my ears, and my right hip is hurting, and that felt much better. But I'm in here today, so I can go running later on.
No chiropractic voodoo. We actually adjusted the ears, so when patients have ear infection, a lot of times adjusting the ear brings blood to the area. All right, face down for me.
Face down, okay.
She's going running, so she wants to get in shape for her run here. All right, mid back.
Yeah, feel it there.
Take a deep breath in and release. That was good. Go ahead and raise this leg for me. Don't bend the knee. You should be trained by this point. Back down. This one.
I kind of hurt when I did that this side.
So right leg short by an inch, inch and a quarter. Let's have you lay on this side for me, face me this way.
I know what's going to happen.
If a leg is short, and if you run far enough, you'll just eventually run in a circle.
Okay, I'm ready.
You didn't even laugh. Usually you're laughing.
I giggled for her.
That was good.
I'm waiting for the curving here.
Go the other way.
Oh, running in circles. I do that anyways.
What do you think about
Pretty
it?
short or long leg.
We can explain it for all the fans on YouTube.
Holy. Yep.
Holy crap.
Yep. No, I didn't say that. I didn't do that. That was good.
Knees bent, feet on the table. See, we kind of like screen our conversations.
I know we do. I'm watching me.
Breath in and
Oh.
breath in and let it out. Good. And Sadie, I'm going to have you come around this way.
Do I sit up?
No, not yet.
Okay. Oh, the neck.
Okay, guys, this is not something you do at home. All the chiropractors you're watching on YouTube videos, we have been trained to adjust appropriately here. So some of you guys are trying this at home, and if you're not being careful, we get a laugh included on the adjustments.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, but you keep coming back as you feel better.
I do.
Go ahead, sit up.
Oh, is it the funny thing?
Yes.
Oh, golly.
Ready?
Yeah.
Interesting.
That was the
That's
ear
it.
adjusting.
Yeah. It's actually
Ear
helped.
infections.
Yeah, actually felt much, much better afterwards.
So the warm blood to the area. Okay, go ahead, sit and face Sadie.
I sure will.
You ready for your close-up?
No. Yeah. I'll lean you further in.
Were you gonna run with the dog?
No, myself.
Just me, myself, and I, the three of you?
No, yeah, alone. It's a gorgeous day. I need to be outside.
It is beautiful.
Take advantage before the rain hits tomorrow. Ooh, that felt good.
Okay, bend your elbow. Don't hit yourself in the face. Good. And other one.
Oh, that would be a good one.
Good. All right, there you go, folks.
Awesome.
Yay.
She's ready for a run. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.